everyone, this is Keene with Honda of Keene, and this is the 2019 Honda Ridgeline RTL-T. The 2019 Honda Ridgeline RTL-T has some exciting performance specs, like a 280 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, available intelligent variable torque management all-wheel drive system, and of course up to 5,000-pound towing capacity. Here on the exterior, we have an acoustic windshield for a nice quiet drive. We have a smart entry with walkaway auto lock. We have a one-touch power moonroof. We have a dual-action tailgate with over 63 inches of space in the back. And we also have that underbed storage that can also act as a cooler for tailgating, parties, whatever you need it for. Here on the interior, we have a 225-watt audio system with 7 speakers. We have an 8-inch high-resolution display with an electrostatic touchscreen and customizable feature settings. We have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We have a Honda satellite-linked navigation system, and it also comes with a HomeLink remote system. The 2019 Honda Ridgeline RTL-T also comes with some great safety tech, like electronic brake distribution, vehicle stability assist with traction control, and so much more. So, if you're thinking about the Honda Ridgeline, the RTL-T might be the best trim for you. So come on down for a test drive, 567 Monadnock Highway in Swansea, New Hampshire, or visit us online at hondaofkeene.com. We cannot wait to work with you. Happy car shopping.